Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another IPSY unboxing. It's been a month. I know I don't really do a lot of other content, but I promise I will. I've just been really busy looking for a house, which I want to make a video about that once we actually get a house, what we had to go through to get it, and all that fun stuff, because it's been a process. So we have our IPSY bag. And I noticed that because I kind of looked through some of the stuff before this video because I was just curious on what I got, and I'm noticing a trend of like things that I'm getting over and over again, at least from what I remember. So I redid the quiz right away because I wanted to make sure that I was getting different stuff to show you guys, and also I just wants different makeup. Like, I don't want the same colors over and over again and everything. Let's get this. Ooh, it's a pretty bag. I honestly don't know what to do with these. Let's get started then. So I'm gonna take out our little menu type thing. It says keep growing. Oh, what do you know? It says three ways to upcycle your glam bags. Tidy your tech, put USB drives, batteries, all that fun stuff in there. Mini emergency prep, pack it with Neosporin, band-aids, all that fun stuff. Or pay it forward, donate bags filled with unused grooming basics to homeless shelters or self-care essentials to women's centers and nonprofits. That is really awesome. So I will definitely keep this in mind for gathering all my glam bags and doing something with them, something productive. Okay, so this says Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. I don't know what this is for. I think this is just for your skin, like when you don't have makeup on it. Maybe it's like a primer or something. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. So the next is Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, so this is Lip Oil and Gloss, Deer Beach. That sounds nice. I'm always looking for different things to put on my lips, and I'll be putting this on and showing you guys, you know, telling you basically what I think of it. But I am obsessed with chapstick and lip gloss and all that. I'm not a fan of lipstick, to be honest, because it dries out my lips so much. I don't really enjoy that. We got another thing here. So let's see what this is. Farah, I think that's what it says. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but this looks like eyeshadow. So it came a little cracked, but those are really pretty colors. This is kind of like similar to what I've gotten last time, but it's a little bit more purple rather than red, so that's nice. More blush. This is what I remember getting, and I'll probably end up giving this to my mom because she doesn't really buy makeup for herself that often. But this is a really pretty blush. Ugh, if I could speak today. Okay, here we go. So that's a nice color. It's got a little bit of like sparkle to it. It's very, you know, plain. It's just blush, but that's pretty much it. And then of course this fun little bag here. I'm sure I will figure out what to do with these. Maybe I'll donate them, like they said, filled with good stuff. So I'm going to put on everything but the face cream, whatever this is, the dewdrop stuff, because obviously I can't put that on. I have makeup on already. But anyway, also I wanted to bring back the two products last time that are for your skin that I said I would use and then, you know, review them. And the one is the Sand and Sky, and it's the Australian Emu Apple face mask. So I definitely like it because it didn't burn my skin or anything. My skin is like pretty sensitive, so a lot of times like when I put things on it, it'll like burn, like especially underneath my eyes. This was really good. I didn't use it a lot. I'll definitely use this more often, and I look forward to getting more Sand and Sky brand things if they're gonna send them to me. But I definitely recommend it. Like, it's just feels like a really nice like cleanse. for your skin. And then the next thing was this hydrating eye cream. This was really nice. It's from First Aid Beauty. And I honestly want to get a bigger bottle of it because I love the way it feels underneath my eyes. Doesn't burn. I have a lot of eye creams that burn. Don't know why it burns, but it burns. And obviously it makes my eyes end up being dry rather than, you know, soft and not wrinkly. I'm going to jump off camera really quick, do this fun stuff, and then I'll come back and basically just let you guys know what I think of the products. Okay, so I will be right back. Ta-da! Yay! Okay, so I love everything. The eyeliner is much better than the other one. I don't think I've ever had an eyeliner so nice, like just glide on. I mean, it was like so quick. Literally, this took me like 5 minutes to do. The eyeshadow, amazing colors. Like, I love them. I don't know if you can, like, I feel like I always make a weird face whenever I do this, but it's just really, really pretty. So, yeah, everything was awesome. And even like the lip gloss smells good. It smells like watermelon. Oh, I love watermelon smell. I wish this can go on your lips, but I don't know what to do with this, so I'm just gonna rub it into my hands now. Yeah, it's like a hint of watermelon, like it's not very strong. But this is what it looks like. Blush is also very nice. Kind of like the other one that I got. And I'll probably give this one to my mom because it's just very dainty and very light and like shimmery. So like you don't really need highlighter, I feel like, with this. It's kind of like built into it already, which is nice. But yeah, so everything was awesome. Per usual, thank you IPSY for introducing me to all these new products. Even though they're like small versions of them, it's still fun to try. Especially you don't want to pay full price for something and then be stuck with it. I'm probably gonna take this makeup off and then go to bed because it's that time of day. That's all I have for today. I hope you guys are being safe and happy and healthy out there. It's a crazy world, but hopefully you found some enjoyment in this video. But don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends. You know, I'm here just doing this. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.